So, Mary, can you share with everyone your experience of what you've been through in the last 3 months, and why you feel we're different than other areas that you've been?
I feel that you're different because if you go to a regular doctor first, you're a doctor, but I'm talking about a medical doctor. If you go to a regular medical doctor first, they don't know about or practice using the muscles and the ligaments and the tendons to get in between your aching area to find out where the pain is coming from. So you're going to get led in a totally different direction. I feel like what you do here with the ART, if you get up and in there and loosen out the muscles and get all the bad tightness out of there, you can really relieve a lot of symptoms that way and not have to look at surgery as an option.
So, was surgery an option for you, and was that recommended by any of the other doctors that you've been to?
Yes, it was at one point.
So, have we been able to resolve that without surgery whatsoever?
Yes, you have, absolutely.
All right.
In under 2 weeks.
So, how would you describe what we do, and how would you describe how it's different if you were talking to your brother or sister or your neighbor right now?
It's just different because the connective tissues and the muscles, everything that binds them together, it has to be addressed before you go the surgery route. Before you find out where your actual pain is coming from. I thought mine was my knee, and it's all up in my hip and all the muscles that lead to that knee that actually provide energy to that knee. So I was totally on the wrong track. I was on the right leg, but on the wrong track.
Well, I really appreciate you sharing, because I know this will help a lot of people in the future. So thank you so much.
I certainly hope so.
All right.